Hey guys, I just thought I'm gonna quickly show you my current go-to makeup look. It's super easy to create. Gonna start from the Mina 503 of the 24-hour cream eyeshadow. I know you're probably thinking cream eyeshadow for hooded eyes, are you crazy? But let me tell you, this is 24-hour wear eyeshadow and they are not lying. I mean, it's literally 24 hours. It doesn't crease, doesn't crumble, anything. This is like literally the best cream eyeshadow you're gonna ever try. I'm gonna apply it with my finger first and then I'm gonna blend it with a brush. Going close to the lash line and I'm gonna go all over my lip, like all over. To blend this, I'm gonna use my own brushes, my own brand. If you don't know this yet, guys, Beauty is my brand. So I'm gonna use that crease blend brush. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette by Seattle London. I'm gonna use shimmer shade for the inner eye corner up to the middle. Blend the same brush. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the Precise Shadow brush from the Essentials Eyes. I'm taking a tiny bit of this darker brown shade on the outer corners. In the C shape, just buffing the end. Once again, taking the first brush we use and just kind of blending this all. I'm not adding any more product or anything, just softening. Next step is totally skippable. You can go already with the mascara or you can go with a bit of the eyeliner. I'm gonna go with eyeliner because I just feel like wearing one today, but I'm not gonna go with black eyeliner. I'm actually gonna go with the brow pen. The one that I'm wearing today is the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in the Espresso, which is basically dark brown. Let's apply some mascara and we can move on with the face. For mascara, I'm using my current go-to mascara. It's Seattle Triple Shot XXL Mascara. Eyes are done. We're just gonna apply a bit of mascara later on. Let's go into the face. For the primer, I'm gonna use Seattle Watermelon Berries Hydrating Primer. For the foundation, I'm gonna use my current go-to NYX Skin Step One Step in color Natural. I'm taking the Beauty Flathead Foundation brush. Gonna dip in, pat on like this, and then blend in a circular motion. Using the Revolution Conceal and Define in situ. Gonna blend using the same brush. Bit of a cream contour. Same brush. Cream blush. This one is by the Seattle. Just with my finger. Setting, I'm using the IT Cosmetics by Pores setting powder and the setting brush by Beauty. Let's quickly sculpt cheeks. Gonna use bronzer. This one is Sculpting Bronzer, perfect for contouring and bronzing. And the contour brush by Beauty. Bit of a blush using the Beauty blush brush. Bit of a highlighter. I'll quickly line my lips. Bit of a lippy. let's do the fox freckles because I am literally obsessed with this currently. So I'm using the Eddie Paris Imperfect, actually brow gel, but I'm using the fox freckles. The same brush I used before for this cream eyeshadow, and just going with that whatever is on the brush, not adding anything else. A bit of the eyeliner is actually broken in the inner corner. And we are done. That's complete look. What do you guys think? Honestly, guys, this is my current go-to makeup look. Sometimes I don't even bother to apply the eyeliner. I just leave the eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow, honestly, guys, will stay on your eyes like all day long. Just noticed I have a bit of mascara in here, which I forgot to clean. Oopsie. So if you, like me, have clumsy hands or heavy hands and get mascara a bit on your lid, just use a spoolie when mascara is dry and just flick it off. Super easy. So this is a finished look. What do you guys think? Would you go and recreate this? Honestly, the eyes especially, so super easy. Do you like the freckle look? I don't think I ever did a makeup look on here with the freckles, although I'm like wearing it every day because I'm just obsessed with this. This is an obsession. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more super important part, and I shall see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye. Ciao for now.